Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna discuss about 1500 meter workout. So 1500 meter is an event in which speed, endurance and strength is involved. To get a good timing in 1500 meter, one should do intervals, speed workouts, easy runs, steady runs and tempo runs, fartlek runs and strength workout. I'm gonna show you 1500 meter workout. This workout is for the people or for the athletes who run their 1500 meter in about 5 minutes. So after doing this workout for about 1-2 months, they will get the results and they can run in 4 minutes 40 or 4 minutes 30 seconds. Let's see the workout. Let's move on to Monday. So Monday we will do 1500 meter. The first lap will be 1 minute 18 seconds and the second lap will be 1 minute 17 seconds and the third lap 1 minute 19 seconds. After that we will take recovery 4 minutes and then we will do 1 kilometer. For 1 kilometer the pace will be 318 to 320 and after that we will take recovery for about 3 minutes and then we will do 800 meters. The pace will be 116 for each lap, that is the total of 232 minutes. And then in the evening we will do 30 minutes easy run and 30 minutes strength workout. Let's move on to Tuesday. On Tuesday we will do morning 20 minutes hill workout and evening 30 minutes easy run. So on Wednesday morning we will do 8 kilometer run and the pace will be 4:45 to 5 minutes per kilometer. And evening we will take rest because rest is an important factor in doing workouts. It helps the body to recover and get ready to do the next workout. So on Thursday we will do 8 into 200 meters and the pace will be 32 to 33 seconds and the recovery will be 90 seconds to 2 minutes and then cool down. And then in evening 30 minute running and strength workout. And on moving on to Friday we will do 4 km steady run and the pace will be 330 to 335 per kilometer. And then in evening we will do 15 minute easy run and ABC drills and each drill will be 2 times each. And then moving on to Saturday we will do 6 km running and the pace will be 420 to 430 per kilometer. And then evening we will do 8 km running and that will be easy. And on Sunday we will do 30 minute easy run and then ABC drills, each exercise 2 times. And then in evening we will take rest followed by a massage and the same routine continues. This is the workout for the beginners who are trying for 1500 meter and they can run if they have any events or in approaching in about 1 or 2 months, and they will well run in 430 to 440 after a couple of weeks after doing this workout. So if you are a beginner then you can start slowly by slowly, and if you are already you have a personal best of 440 or 430, you can increase the workouts. For example, on Monday you will do 1200 meter, you can double the workout by 2 sets, and the hill running will be of 30 to 40 minutes. Like that you can increase the workouts. For the 200 meters you can do 10 to 15 repetitions and then you can add 400 meters repetitions also. So like that you can do the workouts to get more better timing. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hit the like button, share, subscribe and comment in the comment section if you want more workouts for distance running or for any other events. Thank you.